Hi, my name is Kory and today I'm going to talk about CDL Intelligence. In the past, we referred to it as CDL monitoring. CDL's decided to change that department to CDL Intelligence. So if you see this emblem, maybe in our catalog or online, then you know it can be hooked to the monitoring system. In the past, it was kind of just vacuum sensors, tank heights, but now you can actually start and stop pumps, open and close valves, run your RO remotely without having to be at that location. It's kind of just a new way of saying that it's more than just vacuum sensors.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.